Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using, let's say, the settings for this. So once you have that content open and visible on the screen, press power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with this animation right here. So this is to signify that you have just captured your screenshot. And additionally, you can see that there's a couple options. I'm going to do that again. So we have share, we have edit, and we can also capture more, which I believe allows us to capture a long version of a screenshot. As you can see, it shows us just the beginning of it, whatever the screen has visible, but you can then just grab it and drag it however far down you want. And actually, this looks to be one of the better options for a scrollable screenshot. It automatically shows you all the way down, so you can get it however far down you want, capture it, and then select save. And there we go. That's our long screenshot. So from here, to view that screenshot that we have captured, or in this case, I believe 3 of them, we need to find Photos application, and you can see them right over here. So we have the scrollable screenshot, as you can see, it's super long. Then we have the 2 normal ones. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.